Hey class, this is Miss Easterly here, and I'm just going to go over how to complete the interactive slide for our Unit 4 Ancient Israel. So first, I'm going to open up the slide and have you watch how I walk through it and where you're going to find different assignments. So this is what the slide's going to look like when it is assigned on Google Classroom. It's our interactive slide, which means that you're going to go through it at your own pace, and I'm going to help you along as you are completing this assignment. So there's a unit description. Basically, I'm just telling you to help each other out. Please do the assignments in order. That is important. And please do not get fancy and change this slide. You will have plenty of opportunities to change and create your own Google slide, but this is just not one of those opportunities. I also have some notes for you in case you forget where things are. And to make it very obvious, this is due this Friday, the 18th, before you go to Thanksgiving break. I have a list of assignments on the 5th slide. There are 8 assignments. There are 5 class periods to do this. So if you're going at the correct pace, it's about 2 assignments a class period. And there's also a little extra credit museum tour in Jerusalem that I'll walk you through as well in case you get there by Friday. So the first assignment, it says it up here at the top, Art Inferences. You're going to have to go to Google Classroom. That's where the link is posted. So I'm going to show you where that is now. So back on your Google Classroom, I posted it as an announcement. Link for assignment 1, Art Inferences. When you click on that, you will see that I created this gallery for you guys to look at through Google Arts and Culture Project. So you're just going to simply scroll, look at some artifacts and art left behind by the ancient Israelites and the Hebrews, and choose what is it asking you to do. Okay, you're going to choose different pieces of art. You can choose 1, you can choose 2, whatever. And then tell me what you know about the people based on the artwork they left behind. And if you hold your cursor down, it'll tell you what you're looking at exactly. So this is the interior of the Horeb Synagogue. Okay, so you're going to type in your answer in this box here. The second assignment is vocabulary. We've done lots of vocabulary, but you can use the glossary in your textbook. You may use dictionary.com, but if you do copy and paste, please cite where you got it from so you're not stealing off the internet. To get a Google image, insert, image, go to search, type in the Torah. Okay, this first image is the picture I want. The Torah is the Hebrew Bible, also known as the Old Testament in the Bible. I'm going to hit select. Now this image is going to pop up, obviously way too big for what I want. So I'm going to click on the blue squares, make it small, move it where I want it to go, and boom. So I would have typed my definition of the Torah first before looking at the picture. That way I have an idea of what picture I'm looking for. So you're just going to do that for all 3 pages of your vocabulary. I'm going to go back and delete this before I forget. All right. So assignment number 3 is notes section 1. You are going to get a piece of paper where you're going to fill in the blanks that go with the PDF notes. And whenever you see 2 stars on your paper, just get out a highlighter and highlight that note. That way you know it's important that you have that note written down. So when you click on the PDF notes, it'll just take you automatically to the PDF notes. You're just going to scroll down through it, fill in the blanks. Old school note taking. We've done this before we moved on to the slides. So just move on. Okay, when you're done with the notes, you're going to watch some video clips. We've already watched the Prince of Egypt in class, but these are just clips that I want to specifically make sure you understand. You cannot play a video if it's in editing mode. You have to hit present. Once you hit present, then it turns into a YouTube video. Boom, hit play, and then you can watch it. To type in the side, you have to go back to edit mode, so hit escape. And then you can start typing your response here. So remember, hit present, watch the video, go into edit, and then type your response. Assignment number 5, you're clicking all of these links to help you create your map of the Exodus. So you're going to read this information, you're going to look at these links, and then to create your map, it's going to be on Google Classroom. So you go back to Google Classroom, find the assignment that says assignment number 5, map of the Exodus. When you click on that, you're going to see a blank map. you are going to be labeling these 7 items here. You're going to use your textbook on page 56, and you can also use the links posted here that will help you get a little visual of the exodus the Hebrews took out of Egypt and eventually into Jerusalem. So take a look at, where are we? Take a look at your textbook, page 56, and also the other maps that I have linked on Google, the interactive slide, the Google slide that will help you. So the map, just make sure you hit turn in when you are done with that. Okay, moving right along. You have some 10 commandment questions. All the information is just based on this image right here. You have another section 2 notes. Once again, you'll get a piece of paper, highlight the notes that are starred. You're going to click on this link. It will take you to a PDF of the notes. Scroll down, fill in the blank, same situation. So assignment number 8, the last assignment, you're going to be answering these 5 questions based on the link. Whenever you say click here, you should probably click there. And you will be going to a Google Doc that I did some editing on an old worksheet I actually used as a student. It's very old. Anyways, you're going to read the information posted here, and you're going to answer the questions on the slide. So you're just going to click on the box, type in the answer for number 1 through 5, etc. So let's say it's Thursday, Friday, you're done, you've moved at a good pace. Go ahead and explore this museum. Google has actually recorded and toured different museums around the world. So to get the extra credit, you got to choose 2 pieces in the museum that interest you. You're going to describe them below and tell me what you know about the ancient Israelites based on the art they left behind. So similar to the first assignment. So you're going to click where it says click here. Then you're going to hit explore. It's actually a museum in Jerusalem, which is pretty cool. And this is similar to when we explored the pyramids. You're just going to click forward. It'll jump around. You're just going to kind of find some pieces that you like, that you find interesting. And then you can even zoom in and read the plaque, tell me about them, and then just record it, your information where it says answer, and that's how you get extra credit. Okay, so before we go, reminders. Fill in your assignment list as you're going. Say yes when you're done with the assignment. That way you know what you're doing the next day and what you have done. Make sure you're paying attention to what's posted on Google Classroom. You will need this link for assignment number 1, and you will need to do this map for assignment number 5. Okay, so I hope this helped you, and have a good time completing this activity. Till later, bye.